Hey friends. Okay, so a couple people have been asking for me to show you how I curl my hair. So I'm gonna do it. Just clear that off. I wish you guys could see my setup right now. Okay, so a couple things to note. I use a curling iron with a clamp, and this is 1 1/4 inch curling iron. So I just use this Conair curling iron. I think I got it for like $15 at Target, and I've had it since I was in high school. So as you can see, my hair is sectioned. I'll usually do like 3 sections, but totally depends on the thickness of your hair. So you just want to start, this is what I do. Okay, I start in the back, and as you can tell, I have my hair sectioned off in 2 places. So I start in the back and I just kind of run the curling iron down, hold it. I don't bring it all the way to the root, because if I did that, then it would be too coily for me, and then I kind of just slide it down, and then whenever I want, just pull it out. So let me show you that again. Let me get a little closer so you can see. So we're here, I slid it down, I'm gonna slide it down again, and this is totally random. You don't have to do the exact same pattern every time, because that's what makes it look nice. So look, as I'm pulling down and then curling it back. Okay, I always leave a little bit of the end out and then pull it out and then kind of straighten it at the end. So this is what one looks like. Okay, you're just gonna toss it to the back. Sometimes I'll run through the curling or my hair like a couple times before I actually start curling it too, to warm up the hair. But yeah, anyway, so you're just running it through, and like for this, like this one I did 1, but for this one I'm gonna, oh wait, that didn't make sense. Okay, let's try this again. And you can see I'm holding it for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds per strand or per curl situation. Okay, so the rest is basically the same, although there is a little bit of technique that goes into it. So I will curl some closer to the root than I do others, or like do a shorter curl. I hope this is making sense. Curl and then release. Okay, so, and then this is the part that like has changed my style completely. Okay, so I have a smaller strand of hair, and I'm going to, most of the strands are curled away from my face, but for a couple of them, literally just a few, I'm gonna curl towards my face, and this is gonna break up the curl so it doesn't look like it's one giant curl on your head. Okay, so same thing, you pull it under, and I can't take credit for this. I watched my hairstylist, Katie. She is amazing. Beaming Balayage is her Instagram. She curls my hair this way, and then I also watched a couple YouTube videos of people doing it. So this is what it looks like curled towards my face, and you don't want to do this with all of your hair, because if you did, it would not frame your face well. So that's why you do most of them away from your face and then just a few. And I can do thicker strands here on the bottom, because I don't care as much what the bottom looks like, you know, it can be messy. And I'm running late, so I don't have a ton of time. I had a 3-hour break, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much time. Like, I can work out, take a shower, get ready, and like still have extra time. And I'm running late. I enjoyed my workout too much in my shower. Okay, so as you can see, I'm totally doing this randomly. I'm not being precise at all about it. Sorry about the lighting. Okay, and my another thing I want to know is that my barrel is always straight up and down, so it's not like this. Okay, that's important. It's gonna shape the curl and give you some good bounce. And you can always loosen that up so it's not so tight there at the root as well. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Okay, so you get the point. And I'll try to do like 2 totally random pieces going towards my face in each section. Okay, so I think I'm going to skip through the rest of this because you don't need to watch me curl my entire head of hair. And then if anything comes up, I will keep you posted, or I'll let you know. And then something I also want to know is every single piece that is right next to your face will always be facing away from your face. So this is what one side looks like curled. Okay, so I just finished the bottom layer, the whole bottom layer, and we are gonna brush out the curls at the very end, but you wanna leave them tight until then so they cool off and set. So this one is annoying, so I'm just gonna straighten it there. Yeah, there we go. This is also like day like 4 or 5. So my hair is a little dirty, but that's the beauty of curling your hair is it will last for a while. So being random about your curls is what makes this pretty. If you are doing everything the same, making it look the same, it's not going to be as cute. Okay, you don't want this to look super uniformed. So I'm leaving some pieces longer. I'm grabbing thicker pieces than others. I'm straightening more, like I'm straightening the ends differently at different lengths. Okay, you want it to be random. But all the pieces closer to the face, you want to be a little bit tighter in the curl. That's just what I like. It's totally personal preference, but that's what I do. And I'm talking quietly because I'm at work. Okay, so I just finished the second section and we're looking good. And we're just gonna finish the top. So take that cute old bun out, pull all the curled hair to one side so you don't get it mixed up, the non-curled hair. Brush it out, and then this is where it gets a little tricky to not get it mixed up, and it's not that big of a deal if you do, but I try to clip it, but not for long because then the clip will ruin the curls. And then you want to part your hair wherever you part it. I like a side part. I tried the middle part for about 2 seconds and didn't like it, so just a side part kind of a person, you know? I literally have 5 minutes, so I'm gonna do this quickly. Okay, same thing that I've been doing. The top pieces, you don't want to go so closely to the root because then they'll be like aggressively bouncy. And I just don't like that look on myself. So can't forget about the pieces that are facing toward your face. Also, you want the pieces facing toward your face to be further away from your face. Okay, that's a key part. Okay, so this is what it looks like not brushed out. Okay, we don't, I mean, it's cute, but it's a little aggressive. So we're gonna get this side and then we're gonna be done. 3 minutes. I can do this. I'm gonna do the last one that goes towards my face. Okay, so I just have one more piece to curl, and it's just gonna be the same as all the other ones. There's nothing special. Let it drop. Let it drop. Let it drop. One more time. Yay, we made it. Okay, so I could leave it like this, but I don't think it's super cute. I think it looks just too, ugh, you know? So I'm gonna let the hair cool for a second and then I'm gonna brush it out and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so my hair is not completely cooled down, but I don't have time. So let me show you what it looks like when you brush it out. And this is one of the most important parts. Okay, look at that difference. Brushed, not brushed. It's crazy. Okay, I know it's sad to brush them out, but trust me, it looks way better if you just brush them out. Okay. That's what it looks like when it's brushed out. I'm just gonna add some oil to my hair and then I'm gonna go to work. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Have a great day.